This problem is from GATE Mechanical Engineering paper of 2019. This is question number 28 of set 2. The question is, the derivative of f of x is equal to cos x can be estimated using the approximation f dash of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x minus h divided by 2h. The percentage error is calculated as exact value minus approximate value divided by the exact value multiplied by 100. The percentage error in the derivative of f of x at x is equal to pi by 6 radian, choosing h is equal to 0.1 radian is. Now we are given 4 options and we need to find the correct answer. So in this problem we need to find the percentage error in the derivative of f of x whose approximate value is calculated using this method, and we need to calculate the value at x is equal to pi by 6 radian. Now in the problem it's given the function f of x is equal to cos x and we need to find the derivative of this. So f dash of x is negative sin x. Now f dash of pi by 6, that is equal to negative of sin pi by 6. This is negative 1 by 2 or 0.5. So f dash of pi by 6 is equal to minus 0.5 is the exact value of the derivative of this function cos x. So let me write here exact value. Exact value. Now we need to calculate the approximate value in order to calculate the percentage error. So approximate value. So approximate value can be calculated using the formula. It's given. The method given here is f dash of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x minus h whole divided by 2h, and the value of h given here is 0.1 radian. Now we need to find the approximate value at pi by 6. So f dash of pi by 6 is equal to f of pi by 6 plus 0.1 minus f of pi by 6 minus 0.1 whole divided by 2 into 0.1. Now we know the value of function is f is equal to cos x. So we will substitute f of x is equal to cos x in this equation. We can write f dash of pi by 6 is equal to, now this is cos pi by 6 plus 0.1 minus cos pi by 6 minus 0.1 whole divided by 2 times of 0.1. So here we get cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. So how can we write that? So cos a minus cos b is equal to negative 2 sin a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. Here a is pi by 6 plus 0.1 and b is pi by 6 minus 0.1. So we can write here f dash of pi by 6 equal to negative of 2 sin a plus b by 2, that means this value plus this value by 2. So pi by 6 plus pi by 6 is pi by 3. So sin pi by 3, and 0.1 minus 0.1, that will be 0 into 1 by 2 into sin pi by 6 plus 0.1 minus pi by 6 minus 0.1. So pi by 6 will get cancelled out and we will get 0.1 plus 0.1 whole divided by 2, and this function is divided by 2s, that is 2 into 0.1. So this again we can write as negative of 2 sin pi by 6 into sin 0.1, because 0.1 plus 0.1 by 2 is 0.1, and this whole divided by 0.2. So this will give you, once you multiply, so pi by 6 and sine 0.1, you can use the calculator and you will get the value minus 0.4992. Now to calculate the percentage error, the formula is already given in the question. So I can write error percentage is equal to exact value minus approximate value divided by exact value into 100. So our exact value given is minus 0.5. This we have already calculated. Also we have calculated the approximate value, that is minus 0.4992 whole divided by the exact value, that is minus 0.5 into 100. So this value will come out to be 0.16%. So the error percentage comes out to be 0.16%. Now let's match with the given options. So the percentage error that we got is 0.16%. And if we match with the options, we will see that option B, that it is greater than 0.1% and lesser than 1%. So option B is the correct answer. For more information on error analysis, you can refer to the NPTEL course of Numerical Methods and Simulation Techniques for Scientists and Engineers by Professor Saurabh Basu of the Department of Physics, IIT Guwahati. Hopefully I was able to clear your doubt. Have a great day. Thank you.